Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update games in Egg NS. Keeping your games updated can bring new features, bug fixes, and improved performance. First, you will need to acquire the appropriate update file for your specific game, usually in an NSB or XCI format. It is also a good practice to create a backup of your game's saved data before proceeding with any updates, just in case. To begin, you'll need to find and download the necessary update files. These are typically available from various online sources that provide Nintendo Switch ROMs and updates. Once downloaded, place these files in a dedicated folder on your Android device, making them easy to locate later. Always double-check that the update file corresponds to your game's region and current version for seamless integration. Now let's apply the update. Launch the Egg NS emulator and select the game you want to update from your library. Look for a gear icon or settings option associated with that game and tap it. Within the game settings, you should find an option labeled Expansion Pack or Manage Title Updates. Tap Change and browse to the folder where you saved your update file, then select it and confirm. Once the update process is complete, launch your game to confirm that the new version is active. You can often check the game's version number within its in-game menu or the Egg NS settings. If you encounter any problems, such as crashes or the update not applying, consider redownloading the update file or even the base game. Also, ensure your Egg NS emulator itself is updated to its latest version for optimal compatibility and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.